border between the US and Canada. Dito sa bridge na to. And nasa line na tayo ngayon ng immigration dito sa border ng Canada. So, ang ganda na. Pagtawid natin ng bridge yan, nasa Canada na tayo. Ayan, may toll pa. Haba ng pila. Sana mabilis lang. Ayan, Canada. Welcome to Canada. And then, dyan na rin siguro yung immigration. This is my first time na magpunta dito ng nakakotse. But I've been to Canada many times. Sa Vancouver area. Tsaka Victoria, BC. So right now we're here in the border of US and Canada. As you see the flag there. So we're in line right now. There's so many cars that going inside the country of Canada. We have to wait. Ayan, we are on the third sa line. After itong white ng car, tayo na. First time din ng car ko dito sa Canada. So, there you go. Ayan, nakalusot na tayo sa Canadian immigration. So, we're going to my niece now in Kitchener. So, we're here in Canada. Welcome to Canada. There we go.